Good morning, one and all. Today we are discussing about the social issues and environment. Myself, Bhupalam Venkatesh. So today in this video session, we are discussing about the social issues. First one in social issues is rainwater harvesting. What is the main objective for learning of the social issues? Development and modernizing the techniques without losing our sound, traditional values and practice is essential. In India, water harvesting it is a oldest technique in rainfall area to collect the rainwater and to consume for the next seasons. So in rainwater harvesting, it is one of the method in water conservation. What is meant by water conservation? This is the process of saving the water for future utilization. What is the need learning of water conservation? Agriculture and industrial activities, increase in population, change in environmental aspect. What is the strategies for consuming the water? First one is to reduce the wastage of water, to control the irrigational losses, and the last one is reuse the water. What are the methods for water conservation? There are two methods. First one is rainwater harvesting and the second one is watershed management. When coming to the first topic is rainwater harvesting. Rainwater harvesting is a technique of increasing the recharge of ground level water by capturing and storing of rainwater in rainy season. This is done by constructing pits, dug wells, lagons, check dams and small streams to collect the water and to recharge the ground level water continuously. What is the main harvesting in rainwater, collecting a rainwater? The first one is by storing in tanks or reservoirs, by collecting the water in pits, dug wells, and the last one is to recharge the ground level water. In that one is first one is traditional rain water harvesting. It is the oldest technique in India to collect the rainwater in rainy season to dump the ground level or recharge the ground level water and as well as to store the water for agriculture purpose. The first one is where the rainfall is occur nearer the civilization. At that area, by the help of roofs, by the help of roofs, they can collect the rainwater from the rooftop and store into a storage tank. Whenever we require for utilization of water, we can collect from the storage tank and we can utilize for the home needs and as well as the agricultural utilization. And the second one is stream beds. In forest near to the mountains, what will be happening? Due to the gravity, the water will be stored in a ground level. So we are digging some pits, either it is a artificial or else natural pits. So after the rainfall, the water will be falling from the higher level to lower level. At that lower level, we are collecting the water and we can utilize that water for the next seasons, either in a winter or summer seasons. When these are the two are the old traditional techniques. When coming to the modern techniques of rainwater harvesting, they can recharge artificially groundwater by constructing of a hollow tanks. Check dams are constructed for harvesting runoff water from large catchment area and they can used for increasing the ground level The groundwater flow can be interrupting by building groundwater dams for storing the water for next seasons, especially for this water will be used for agriculture and irrigation purpose. The main use of the rainwater harvesting is to recharge the ground level and to utilize the improve the quality of distillation and improve the soil moisture and reduce the soil erosion by minimizing the runoff water. So these are the techniques we can collect the water. When coming to this one, see, మనకి రైన్ వాటర్ని పడేటప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తారంటే ఏదన్నా ఒక బిల్డింగ్ చుట్టూ క్యాప్చర్ లెవెల్ లాగా కన్స్ట్రక్షన్ చేసి ఆ క్యాప్చర్ ఏరియా నుంచి ఆర్టిఫిషియల్ కన్స్ట్రక్ట్ చేసిన ట్యాంక్స్కి వాటర్ని పంపిస్తాం. ఆ వాటర్ని ఏం చేస్తాం, మనం వాటర్ లెవెల్కి గ్రౌండ్ లెవెల్ వాటర్ ఇంప్రూవ్ చేయడానికన్నా యూజ్ చేస్తాం, లేదా అగ్రికల్చర్ పర్పస్ కన్నా యూజ్ చేస్తాం, లేదు బావులకి దానిలోకి వాటర్ని షేర్ చేస్తాం. సో ఇవన్నీ వాటర్ మనకి ఎప్పుడు యూజ్ అవుతాయి అంటే సమ్మర్ సీజన్లో ఆర్ వింటర్ సీజన్లో అగ్రికల్చర్ పర్పస్కి అండ్ హోమ్ నీడ్ పర్పస్కి మ్యాక్సిమం యూజ్ అవుతాయి. అండ్ ద నెక్స్ట్ టాపిక్ ఈస్ ఎన్విరాన్మెంటల్ ethics. It refers principle guidelines to human how we can follow the rules to improve the nature as well as the controlling of pollution in earth. In our planet, man is only a powerful creature to control the pollution and to improve the when coming to this one, next topic is greenhouse effect. So this topic is for the next session.